Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today we're going to take a look at this multi-device Logitech device. We're going to take a look at it and see how small it is, and if we compare it to the size of the box. This box itself is about 12 inches, alright? So we're going to go ahead and unwrap this. So look how small it is. Really petite, tiny. The box is 12 inches, but the phone itself, and there's instructions in here, of course. They give you instructions, nothing else, no batteries, nothing. So we're gonna put the box on the side and see if we could actually get it working. They give you instruction indicating Bluetooth. There's 3 different connections. There's 3 different Bluetooth settings that you can have for 3 different devices. So that means you could have it for your iPad, your computer, and maybe another computer if you have at home. So 3 different devices lighting up. You have to hold the button for 3 seconds in order to move to the next one. If you want more options, you could download the keyboard settings under logitech.com/options. So let's go ahead and remove. First of all, let's open it up here. It takes AAA batteries, if you guys see, and they always put this plastic in here so it won't run your batteries out. So before you get it, there's an indicating of the lights right here. If you guys can see it, you have to hold it for 3 seconds. But so today we're gonna synchronize the phone into this keyboard. And let's go ahead and begin. I have a Droid, but this works for an iPhone, Droid, anything. So right now we're gonna go Bluetooth, if you guys can see the Bluetooth settings here. And I'm gonna hold down for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, let it go. It starts looking for it, and you're gonna have to find it. It should be Logitech keyboard somewhere in the bottom. And here it is, it's coming up. It says keyboard K380. So that's it. You click on it. It's pairing. Once it says okay, this starts indicating the light right here. If you guys can see it blinking. And we're all set. Enter the code. So now we have to enter the code 005036. And then enter. Okay, so we got the phone by entering the code itself, and it just as simple as that. Now we could type it away. So let's go ahead and type an email. We're gonna open up an email and we're gonna type away here. If you guys can see it. There it goes. Type away test. Oops. Test this keyboard out. So I have my phone running on the keyboard. You guys can see I'm gonna keep typing in, typing away. I like this. This is pretty good. There's other options in here. There's also a mute button here. So you could change the complete mute, and it does mute the phone. You could put it all the way up. So I like the keyboard that I'm typing away. If you guys can see it, I'm typing away everything here. And I'm gonna mute it, my phone wirelessly. There you go, it's mute. And then I'm gonna put all the volume up again. It says here app to start apps. So I'm gonna start app listening. I don't want to do the listening, cancel. So right now, currently I have 1 computer program into this system. You could add 2 more. You could add your desktop, your iMac, or your iPhone if you want. It's up to you. So there's different options that you can have here, which I like. This is very unique. I like this stuff. And very simple. We're going to compare with another keyboard and see how loud it is compared to it. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, we're going to commence with the Logitech K380, and we're going to do a noise comparison. This is a mechanical keyboard, all right? And I'm going to put the sound a little bit closer so you guys can hear it. That's a mechanical key. 10 full keys, all right? And compared to this small keyboard, the K380, Logitech K380, K380, Logitech. It's pretty much that's it. So right now it's trying to identify also to another connection, which I don't have one. So the size of it compared to it is a lot smaller. We're talking almost half the size. It's right here. It's a small, very small, petite keyboard. For the role, it's gonna be perfect compared to this big mama. I think I like something like this for your iPad, your Droid application, your Galaxy, your Notepad, your pretty much anything that has Bluetooth and can enable a keyboard settings. This is perfect. Also, a lot of those people are asking questions a lot of these times that these keyboards are also really good for the Amazon stick. There's additional keyboards out there that are much smaller and have better conditions where it has an extra a mouse, so there's two built in one, and we're going to do reviews on those systems so you guys could take a look at them. Sometimes when I'm looking at something like that, it just I kind of base on the settings that it currently has and the options you can have. This one right here in particular, you can have 3 different options and 3 different locations. Like I said, you can have your Amazon stick on one of them, you can have your computer on another one, and then your work computer or your iPad. It could be 3 different items that you could program into. So really good. I like it that it comes with all these options that you could set up any of these 3 devices into this same similar keyboard, which is great if you're going to be sharing this keyboard. Compared to the size of it, like I said, it's a lot smaller. It's compact, easy to use. If you have any questions or any comments, hit me up. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, out.